YouTube world, you get a Snapchat filter today because they're funny. And it's been a long day, so I'm looking a little raggedy. And you don't need to see what my real face looks like. You get a horse face instead. So the next video that I'm going to show you is a little out of order, but that's okay, because you still get them. So I just showed you Washington County's Derby, and now I'm going to show you a little bit of like the shop and building and stuff like that. Also, in the next couple of weeks, we're going to open up an online store that's going to have hats and shirts and stuff. Before, I was just doing it personally, and it's going to be way better because you can just order it online. It's going to be free shipping, and it's going to be awesome.
How about this one?
This one needs some brakes attention because they say I need brakes. So I'm gonna fix those. And then I gotta do the timing and take the rev limiter up to like 7,000 RPMs, and then I think it's done.
But what did you just do today though?
I just worked all day.
And then you came home and you had what to put on the cars?
Drive lines. One of them's good. One of them vibrates a little. But I think I can balance it out and it'll be fine.
Is that all you have to say about that?
Who cares? Lift it up, Jason. Taking drive lines out of cars. Swapping them to see if that one vibrates in this car. Or that one vibrates in that car, vice versa. And then if it does, I'll have transmission problems like the tail shaft bender. Still got any gas in that work?
I just had to help install this.
I don't know.
I'm a pretty good driveline installer. Aren't I?
Best I've ever had.
Like, I got my hands a little greasy. Like, they're kind of dirty. But he just found out. He just swapped them, and that's loud. This one doesn't vibrate anymore. So we're gonna see if this one does. He just took the tires off because why?
I don't want them to vibrate. They're homemade. Homemade.
They are homemade. Well, it vibrates. We got the 12-year-old up in the car. This isn't sketchy at all.
Alright, Spanky Bob, fire it up.
Do you want some more help? Want me to hold it?
Turn it off and it's done. It's a lot. So one time one of these fell and I had my hand in between there and it like pinched the piss out of it right there. It hurt really bad. I may or may not have said some cuss words.
Did it make you feel better to cuss and swear?
Kind of took the throb out of my thumb for just a minute while I was swearing. Fire it up. welded in straight. Is all that there is to it.
What are you trying to do?
Trying to straighten the drive line with the torch. Can't remember if you heat it on the short side or the long side. You gotta heat it on the short side because when you heat it, it expands, makes it longer. It makes sense. Where's my pin right there in my pocket?
About to get Western in here.
So 80,000's out around. So, hey, drag that torch over here.
Do I need to help you at any point?
No,
Okay.
no, you do not.
I'll just sit here in the chair. Let's see your socks. Go back over there.
No.
Let's see those socks.
Oh, those are just because so I don't get them ripped off in the pedal. Okay. That's because of it.
It's definitely time for school to start so he can get new pants. He just tested it and he doesn't think it's going to work with the torch.
We'll let her cool down. You got it. A long way. Duh.
All I got with that was, duh.
Not singing on film. And just went back.
It did?
Yep. Well, I'm doing stuff that I don't know anything about right now.
He's a computer genius.
Pretty much, I'm savvy.
You went to Harvard, guys.
Did you say Harvard or Harvard?
Harvard Freight, maybe I went to, but that's about it.
Landon, did you just say 10-second rule? That might not apply down to the shop. Everyone wants to know how it held up.
Good. Car held up really good. The transmission didn't.